this video, I'm going to share with you game-changing information about oils for scars and wound healing. I call it my post-surgery and scar recipe. It's great for skin generally, wounds, post-surgery, cuts, bruises, and so much more. Hi, I'm Rainey Ray, an essential oil educator and enthusiast. Hit the subscribe button and also click that little bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Also, at the end of this video, you'll have access to my Aging Backward Naturally guide, which is filled with tips and tricks for living younger longer.
I'm taking matters into my own hands now. Let's face it, we only got this life to live out. So follow me, I'm ready to go.
Well, it all started about 4 years ago when my Tom needed emergency abdominal surgery. They cut him open from his sternum all the way down to his pelvis. The surgery was a success, thank goodness, but he was left with a really serious incision closed by multiple staples. It really looked bad. I knew oils could help him, so I wanted him to be able to recover fully. So I dove into my reference books, and in my favorite reference book, I landed on 4 oils that when combined together in a roller are a game changer. They're great for old scars too, by the way. So the 4 oils are frankincense, copaiba, helichrysum, and myrrh. Before I dive into these oils, let me just finish the story. So Tom got through the surgery. Thank goodness it was a success. And what I did was I made a roller from the 4 oils with the carrier oil of either fractionated coconut oil or jojoba oil. I love them both. I applied it 2 or 3 times a day around the incision, patting it in a little bit. After 10 days, he went back into the doctor's office where the physician's assistant removed the staples. And he said, wow, we should have been removing these staples a lot earlier because of the way that this has healed. This incision is amazing. I applied the oils just twice a day from then on. And when the scabbing fell off, I applied the oils actually over the incision itself. Tom continued to heal, and it was beautiful. And considering the invasiveness of this surgery, he has a minimal scar and no scar tissue, that hardened part, and no redness. That's about 3 weeks ago. I had to have basal cell surgery. We did a Mohs procedure, but they took out about a quarter-size piece from my upper middle forehead, and it was deeper than a quarter. Long story short, they sutured within underneath and then put about 8 stitches in on the surface to close it. I'm amazed at how this is healed. This is from using the oils. Look at that. There's some redness here. It's only been 3 weeks, but all of the rest of the scarring is totally healed. Of course, I use other things that we call our foundation of health: lifelong vitality, Terrazyme, PB Assist, and our MetaPower system, which is the revolutionary metabolic system that is new, and we love it. If you want to learn more about these other supplements and things, check out my other videos. I talk about them in there. Also, reach out to me if you want to see the surgical photos. They're too graphic to post in this video. So let's dive into these oils. And why did I pick them? Generally, for skin, the wood oils work on the deeper layers of skin, and the flower oils work on the upper layers of skin. Think of it like wrinkles. There are deep wrinkles, and then there are less deep, the shallower wrinkles and fine lines. Speaking of flower oils, if you want to, you can add in rose oil to this recipe. I either add it in or else I layer it on after or on its own. Rose oil is amazing for skin and healing. So here we go. Frankincense. This is the king of oils. It's well known for its skin healing due to its anti-inflammatory properties. It can help to reduce the appearance of blemishes and promotes healthy looking skin. Additionally, it's effective for wound healing and can reduce the appearance of scars. As a bonus, frankincense can help reduce the appearance of lines and wrinkles and improve the skin elasticity and firmness. Copaiba, or copaiba if you want to pronounce it that way. This is an effective oil for reducing inflammation and has analgesic properties that make it great for wound healing. It can also help reduce the appearance of blemishes, making it great for acne-prone people. With its antioxidant properties, copaiba can help prevent premature aging, making it a great addition to your skincare routine. Copaiba is also rich in beta-caryophyllene, I may have mispronounced that. It's a natural compound that can help boost collagen production, improving skin elasticity and firmness. Helichrysum. Oh, I love this oil. It's known for rejuvenating our skin and promoting healthy skin cell regeneration, reducing the appearance of scars and other skin damage. Helichrysum can reduce bruising. It can even accelerate the bruising cycle so your bruises heal faster. Helichrysum can also reduce inflammation and redness associated with aging skin. Grab your helichrysum for almost any skin issue and apply it consistently, and you will love the results. It's one of my favorite anti-aging secrets. It's great for age spots, and it will leave you with youthful skin. Myrrh. This oil is excellent for wound healing. It's got antiseptic properties and anti-inflammatory properties and even anti-infectious properties. It's also effective in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and it makes myrrh wonderful to use as a daily part of your skincare routine. It's great for reversing aging too. I use it every single day. What I do is I also take these oils internally, but before I get there, to make the roller, take 10 drops of each oil in a 10 ml roller, top it off with carrier oil of your choice. I love jojoba oil or fractionated coconut oil. That's it, easy peasy. So in addition to applying the oils topically, and they're a superhero for topical application, I said I take them internally. So I take a shot glass, I put 2 drops of each in, top it off with water, and drink it. Easy peasy once again. It's so simple to be able to use these oils to age backward naturally. Frankincense, copaiba, helichrysum, and myrrh have so many benefits. You're going to want to look them up in your favorite oil reference book and see these benefits for yourself. I know that you're going to be a fan of these oils too. As I promised, I want to give you access to my Aging Backward Naturally ebook with Living Younger Longer tips. I also want you to have access to our top 10 oils for Living Younger Longer class. So check out those links below. I am so grateful that you are here, and I am so grateful that we can be a part of the same natural community. So if you like this video and found the information helpful, give it a thumbs up and check out my other videos. I hope you're doing well. Take good care and happy oiling.